I'm back again with another powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, this one right here is fire. I'm excited right now, guys. Okay, this is a very good strategy and I'm very happy to share with you guys. Okay, so I'm not going to waste much of our time. Alright, I'm going to be keeping this video very quick and simple. Alright, so before I show you guys how to use this wonderful strategy, I'm going to first of all share with you the setting. Alright, so as you all know, you click on the N icon on the top. Right, now the first indicator here is the moving average. Right, this moving average right here. Right, you add it. Now you can see the first moving average here, the period is 100. Right, the shift is 0. The method is simple. The apply to high, you can see, take note of this, the apply to is high. Right, the color is red and the pixel is 3. You can see that, guys. So after that, there's nothing more. You click on done. Alright, now the second indicator here is also a moving average. You can see that, right? This one right here, the second one. Now you add it. You can see the period is also 100. The shift is 0. The method is simple. The apply to is low. Take note of this, low. Okay, now under this the style, you can see the pixel is 3 and the color is green. There's nothing more. You click on done. Now the last but not the least indicator here is the Bollinger Band. Alright, so you click on it, this one right here, you search and add it. Now the period for this one is 10. Deviation, you can see 0.100. The shift is 0. They apply to weighted close, you can see this. And the style, you have 3 pixels. The color, you already know that. Now after that, there's nothing more. You click on done. And after doing all those things, you are going to see something like this. You are going to have a screen like this. Alright, now this is how the strategy works. Alright, now first of all, first thing, you have to wait for price to be below these indicators, right? Okay, so now the next thing, whenever you see that price is crossing above the golden line here, right? Once you see that price is close and crossing above and close above it, then you go in for 5 candles, right? You take 5 candles, you are out. All right, you take 5 candles, you are out. Right, so this is about that. And there is also another opportunity again. All right, this is a strategy that has many opportunities. Now you see that price has crossing above the price has crossing above the red and the blue and the green, right? You saw that price has crossed above the red and the green line above it. Now whenever there is a spike, and that spike retests the line, all right, that is also an opportunity for you to take 5 candles. You wait for it to close above it again, and then you take 5 candles from this area. All right, so you can see same thing, it broke. You can see close above it, you take your 5 candles again. All right, all this you can do it whenever you see that it's above the red and the green line. All right, you can see that cross, you take your 5 candles and you can continue like that. You can see here it broke below the red and green, and then you can see it came up again. You see it close above it, you take another 5 candles. And that is how to use this strategy. And concerning this kind of one like this, you can also use your head and add, let's say, a relative strength index. Let me add relative strength index now to make the strategy very good. All right, you can decide to do something like this. Let's change the period to. So we are going to be changing this to let's change it to let's change this to 8, and then I'll change this to 80, 20, go back and then click on done. Now with this kind of situation, so that whenever there is a spike and you see that price is the indicator, the RSI is touching the 20 level here, which is the oversold level, you know that yes, like price is about to reverse, right? Then you can wait for it to cross above the golden moving average, and then you take your entry. All right, you wait for it to cross above that, and then you take your entry, you take your 5 candles, right? Like I said, you just wait for it to cross above, close above it, and then you take your 5 candles, you are done. All right, this is how to deal with this kind of situation. Then anyone that is above the line, like I said, you just wait for the retest closing above it, and then you take your 5 candles. So you can see that this is a very good strategy with a lot of opportunity. All right, so backtest it, see how good it is for yourself. All right, don't just take my word for it, okay? Just backtest this for yourself, and then you see the results yourself. Okay, whenever you see that it's going well, just like I've said, then you can now go in, put your real money, and then trade with it. All right, so this is all I have for you guys today. Okay, so if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, this is what I do here. I post powerful strategy like this one from time to time. Okay, and I also do price action analysis in order to get better entry, right? And I showed you all live here on my channel. Okay, so if these are things that you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a new strategy, you get notified immediately. Thank you for watching. Silver out.